everyone, today is 31st of December. This is me, Charul Jetli, the co-founder and managing partner of Matiti People. Matiti People is a part of Matiti Group, and as most of you would know already, I promised 10 days of giveaways where I posted different videos, articles, stories, affirmations, my take on subjects and matters which are important in the current time and age for individuals and businesses. And today is 31st of December, which is the 10th and the last day counting down to New Year 2021. And today I'm going to speak about something which is very, very close to my heart in the last couple of months, which is me trying to understand the difference between change, transformation and evolution. I'll tell you how I got thinking about it. I was at an event not too long back, and there were keynote speakers, very learned, educated, wise people. And right after the keynote event, we all were networking and talking about the subjects which were addressed. And it was surprising yet almost real, because many a times, without understanding the context, the meaning and the ethos behind words, we use them interchangeably. And these three words, for the lack of a better word, I would say have been abused, and they have been used to describe one another. And again, I'm referring to change, evolution and transformation. So also because it's that time of the year wherein I personally know a lot of people in my close circle, in my client group, in my family, who speak about planning for the next year, setting goals, looking back at the year that has passed and seeing what are the changes that they wish to make. And I thought it'd be very, very beneficial to close my 10-day series by outlining and clarifying what these three mean and how you or I or all of us need to focus on each of these elements as we ring in 2021 in style. So let me explain this by giving example of an organization, by using example of an organization, because then it's very relatable and we can apply that to our personal professional life as well. So what's a change? A change is as much as it looks like itself, something that's looking forward in the future, something that will ring in something new. Change is really deeply embedded in the past. We bring about a change to something that has already happened, something that has already occurred. So change is almost like a correction or a variation of what has happened in the past. A change will trigger questions like what's wrong, what can be done better, what did we falter at in conducting or performing a certain kind of task. So that's change for us. And evolution is almost like a trigger from external stimuli that forces us to look at changing ourselves. So in an organizational perspective, for example, an evolution would be responding to a tough competition around you, a new competitor in the market, or responding to changing market scenarios where you have to evolve or introduce a new product line. So that's evolution. When you introduce new product lines, when you look at competition and you look at doing something different than what you have done in the past. Evolution is planned. It's baby steps in the direction that you want to grow into. Evolution also is methodical. It's process oriented. You know the outcome that you desire and expect, so you're working towards a goal. And it's a very structured, methodical, planned, step-by-step approach which will take you from A to B, bringing about a change, but evolving and bringing about something which is new to your organization. So now that we understand change and evolution, what is transformation? How I like to call it, transformation is like a rude awakening. It's almost like a leap of faith. And transformation is something that can get triggered without us planning for it, without us sometimes knowing it. When the time is there for transformation, it will just happen. It can happen consciously, it can also happen subconsciously. And transformation is a change which will always be progressive, which will always lead to something which is beneficial for the good of the entire organization. And in the organizational perspective, what could transformation mean in real terms, so we can relate to it? It could be a state where everybody feels valued, where every voice in an organization matters, where there is a very decentralized approach and the decisions are made keeping in mind the values, beliefs of everybody involved. It's a more holistic approach. It's a very evolved and a very, very mature organization culture. It's almost like a paradigm shift in organizational culture. It is that time of the year where I know a lot of individuals, organizations, business owners, entrepreneurs are looking at what can be done differently, how did they perform in 2020, and what is it that they need to do in the year 2021. Mind you, this thought pattern, this series of questions that you ask your own self at this time of the year is a common exercise. We've done it for all the years in the past, but 2020 has been exceptional. So moving into 2021, I would really urge you or request you or ask of you that when you are in that mode of reviewing your past year and planning for your future year, just take a moment, step back, and really get an understanding and a hang of what are you looking at changing, which are the areas of your personal and professional life where you wish to evolve, and are you ready for transformation? Is your business ready for transformation? Are you accepting transformation as you leap into 2021 in style? And to be honest, the best organizations worldwide, the most preferred employer brands around the world are the ones which are choosing to transform. I can only pack that much in the video that I'll post here. I want to keep it brief so I have your engagement and I give you an outline of what these three fundamentals mean. However, if you wish to explore any of this further in the context of where your life is, what you are wanting to achieve in your life, where it is that you want to focus in the year 2021, I'll be very happy to hear from you. You can directly message me here. I'm also on the social handles like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, of course. I'm here. We have our dedicated YouTube channel. Whichever is comfortable for you, leave me a note and I'll be happy to arrange a time with you and speak about it and really enable you or support you in the journey, wherever in your journey you are. If you are at a place where you just would be happy with the change that you want to make, that's fine too. If you are an organization which has been evolving over the years, responding to external stimuli, responding to competition, and you want to align that with the year 2021 goals, that's a beautiful place to be in. But if you really, really want to take the giant leap forward, if you want to up your game and be where the world will be in the next few years, you're looking and wanting to transform yourself. Transformation, again, in the organizational context could mean revamping your whole strategic direction, looking at where it is that the organization wants to focus their talents and their resources moving forward. It's a complete shift, a complete realignment. So on that note, I will let you go on with the festivities. I'm sure we all have plans to ring in New Year in style tonight. I have my plans with my family and friends. And on that note, sending you all lots and lots of love for the new year 2021. All my positive vibes, all my positive thoughts, my very, very warm wishes to each and every one of you. And I hope and wish and I pray that 2021 is everything that you imagine for and so much more. Until the next time, this is me bringing the series, the 10 days countdown series to a wrap. All the very best, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care, be good, and see you in the new year. Bye-bye.